Hey everyone, welcome to Organic One Lab. In this video, I'll walk you through the platforms needed for the course. We would need three platforms. We would need the Cengage, we would need Top Hat, and we would need Beyond Labs. If you have taken Organic One, then you should have purchased the Cengage and the Top Hat. These are the same platforms that we will be using in this course, so you don't have to repurchase again, just purchase one time. We will be using those for organic too as well. We also need Beyond Labs. So to purchase this Engage, this Engage is the one term, and it's the same package that you purchased in Organic One. You can purchase either through the bookstore, or you can go to eCampus and press on this icon over here, and it will take you to a video that you would need to watch. So watch this video or read the PDF file, either one of those. And then after you do this, please go into this link over here, the OWL platform link to ebook and assignments, and press any of this Engage icons over here. Once you do this, it's going to walk you. Right now I'm registered, so it's going to take me directly to the platform, but you guys, it's gonna walk you through the steps. It's going to give you a 7-day grace period. After the 7 day, you have to pay in order to access your assignments. So all your assignments are here. OWL will cover pre-lab assignments for the labs. Not every lab has a pre-lab assignment, but most of them do. I believe labs 11 and 12, they do not have a pre-lab assignment, but all other labs, they do have pre-lab assignments as well. Lab number 1 has 2 pre-lab assignments, so make sure that you do those. You can access all of these pre-lab assignments from the experiment folder. I'll show you in a second. There is a study tool over here where you can find access to the ebook. These two are the same. So just press on one of them and it will take you through the ebook. You will be assigned some reading material for the ebook, so please make sure that that you read the material assigned for you. So this is for the Cengage. For the Top Hat, I already sent you an invitation code for our class. The class code is 080234. This is not free, you guys. You do have to purchase a Top Hat subscription. If you did for Organic One course, then we're going to use that same subscription, but the code is going to be different. So just follow the email that I sent you in order to subscribe for the Top Hat for the lab part. If you did not receive the email, then all what you need to do is just copy this link over here and copy paste this link, and the join code is 080234. This is for our course, and it's going to take you directly into the course page. You can either do it from the syllabus or you can go to eCampus. So let's go to eCampus over here. And for the eCampus, it's just a scroll up. I think I have it over here. This is Top Hat, how to register, and these are the same information that are found in the syllabus. Top Hat will cover quizzes and will cover post-lab assignments in there. Okay, so that is for the Top Hat. Let's scroll, and then Beyond Labs. So Beyond Labs, we're going to start with this one. This is an actual lab platform. And for Beyond Labs, we're going to start using this platform after Lab 6. So please make sure that you have access to Beyond Labs after Lab 6. There will be a special video that shows you how to use Beyond Labs. But this video just walks you only through how to purchase Beyond Labs. So in the syllabus, there is this website over here, this link that is linked to Beyond Labs. So all what you need to do is press on this and press purchase. And once you press purchase, and there is going to take you through this course or these selections over here. All what we need is the general chemistry and the organic. We don't need more than this. Guys, you can purchase Beyond Labs either through the bookstore or through this website. whatever you want. So we would need the 29.95 package. You have to purchase this. When you purchase it, they're going to ask you to create a username and a password. So go ahead and create a username and a password. After you create a username and a password, let me go back. After you create a username and a password, this is a one-time thing that I want you to do, okay? I want you to log in, and then once you log in there, you're gonna see right now, I don't see it, but you're gonna see a list of experiments. These are not your experiments. This is a one-time thing that you are going to do in order to join the group, the classic group. This will enable me to track your work. After that, you are going to access Beyond Labs from eCampus. Through every chapter, there will be a Beyond Labs icon that you are going to press on it, and then you're going to go through Beyond Labs from there. So to join our group, and again, this is a one-time thing that you're going to be doing. So you're gonna press on the groups over here, and you're not gonna see anything over here. All these courses, you're only gonna see your section for summer 2026, whether it's TO1 or TO2. So what I want you to do is just to press the join a group over here. There's a group code. From where do you get this code? From here. So you go to the course content, and this is the joint code over here. So see, this is the joint code. It's different for different sections, so please pay attention. You are going to copy paste this into the join code, and you are going to hit join for your case. You're going to hit a join in there, and this is it. You don't need to do anything else. I will do a separate video, and I'll walk you through how to use the Beyond Labs platform once we finish lab 6 and we start lab number 7, because this is when we are going to start Beyond Labs in there. The first the first labs, lab 1 through lab 6, these are techniques, and those techniques we use them for every single synthesis. We do, we generate a product, and the product can either be a liquid or it can be a solid. So when you generate a product, you need to purify it, and you purify it by these techniques that you will be using. So it's going to be the crystallization technique, the extraction technique, the distillation, the chromatography techniques, and the melting point. What are these? These are purification techniques. So you are going to learn those techniques first, and then after lab number 6, we are going to start with lab number 7, and lab number 7 through lab number 12. These are synthesis. So you're going to synthesize organic compounds, and you're going to use those purification techniques that you learned earlier in order to purify your product. Okay. So as I mentioned, once we hit lab number 7, I will post a video, a Beyond Labs video to show you how to work with Beyond Labs platform. Now, how does a typical lab look like? So let me scroll up there to lab number 1. So a typical lab will have different sections in there. For example, lab number 1. Lab number 1 is just like the basics to make you familiar with the glassware and the safety in there. So you will have a list of items to do. Just to press on this, you guys, and this is what you would need to do. Every lab, not all labs will have a pre-lab and a post-lab, but most of the labs will have pre-labs and post-labs. So the pre-lab is going to be the OWL assignment. The post-lab is going to be the top hat assignment. And there will be some reading sections or reading material in there that you will be assigned to do. And if there are any videos, then you will be assigned to watch these videos in here. So these are the materials that you would need to do. Every week we will cover 2 labs. So lab number 1 and lab number 2, those are going to be due next Monday. So I'm gonna give you a 7-day time in order to complete these labs. You will see the pre-lab assignment. This is the OWL assignment, two pre-lab assignments, and you will see a one post-lab assignment in there. For lab number one, there are no videos to watch, but starting from lab number two, there will be material to read and there will be videos to watch. Guys, these videos are a must to watch because once you do your post-lab assignments on Top Hat, you will have questions based on these videos. So please make sure that you watch them. In real lab, every lab should take 3 hours and then an additional 2 hours to write the report. So we're expecting like 5 hour lab, but it's not going to take you that much to watch these videos and do the lab. So please make sure to do the assigned work for every single lab in there. So you will watch the videos and then you will do the pre-lab assignment and the post-lab assignment in there. Back to the syllabus. Um, okay, you can scroll there. So back to the syllabus, these are the due dates, and I made every two labs to be covered every week, and these are the due dates. I made the due date to be Monday by 11:55 p.m. Guys, please stick to the due date because after you submit your lab on Monday, I will be grading those labs on Tuesday and posting the grades on either Tuesday night or Wednesday morning. So I want to be consistent in the grading. So please do your assignments in there. If there is a possibility that you need more time for the assignment, you have to email me before the due date of the assignment so that I can open it up a little bit for you. Because if you email me after the due date, the assignment will close and you will get a 0 if you don't submit. Okay. Um, so these are the techniques in there. And then after lab number 7, we will be starting beyond labs. Um, beyond labs. So there will be no lab final, and your grade is going to be based on your assignments, your OWL, your Top Hat assignment, and your Beyond Labs assignment as well. And of course, the quizzes. There will be 4 quizzes in there, and those quizzes will cover X number of experiments. All the quizzes are opened through Top Hat in there. So all quizzes are opened and they are opened on Monday and they will be closed on the last day of classes. I made it this way so that you would have enough time to cover those experiments and do those quizzes. The quizzes are, I do have the grading scale up there. The quizzes are 20% of your grade, so make sure that you submit those quizzes, please. And then your Beyond Labs is 40% of the grade, and the OWL and Top Hat assignments are 40% of your grade. As I mentioned earlier, I will post a special video to show you how to work with Beyond Labs once we approach lab number 7. And please make sure that you purchase the platform before we start lab number 7. I did send an invitation for Top Hat. And let's go to Top Hat over there. So I did send an invitation to Top Hat. So on Monday, what you're going to see is the quizzes and you're going to see your post labs in there. I opened everything for you. If you want to work ahead, go ahead and work ahead. I have no problem with this. So you can submit your assignments ahead as well. I have no problem with that. As for the grade book, your grade is going to be based on whatever you submit. So whatever assignment you submit will have a certain percentage. So if you submit that, that will add to your percentage in there. Your grade is going to start from 0 up and not from 100 down. Your overall grade at the end is going to be 100% because each of the quizzes and the assignments, they do have a certain percentage as I showed you in the syllabus. So if the quiz is, let's say, for example, 5%, then if you submit quiz number 1, you're going to start start your grade with a 5% in there, so please don't freak out. Again, whatever you submit has a percentage, and this percentage will build up based on the amount of assignments that you submit, up to 100%. Okay, guys, this is everything I want to say regarding this lab. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email me or call me. I have my cell phone listed at the top of the syllabus.